Welcome back. If you want to keep track of two different time zones without opening the clock app, this tutorial will show you how to add and customize the Dual Clock widget on your Samsung Galaxy A27 quickly. To begin, go to your home screen and press and hold on any empty area until the home screen editing options appear. A menu will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Tap Widgets to browse all available widgets installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the widget categories until you find clock. Tap on it to view the different clock widget designs. Swipe left or right through the available styles until you locate the Dual Clock widget. Samsung usually offers multiple sizes, so choose the one that best matches your home screen layout. Once you've selected your preferred size, tap Add and the widget will automatically appear on your home screen. Now it's time to personalize the widget. Press and hold the newly added Dual Clock widget, then tap Settings. Here, you can choose the first city and second city by searching for the locations you want to display. This allows you to instantly compare the current time in both cities. You can also enhance the widget's appearance by adjusting its transparency, selecting a background color, and enabling automatic day and night color changes. These customization options help the widget blend seamlessly with your wallpaper and overall home screen theme. After making your changes, tap Save to apply them. Your Dual Clock widget is now ready to use. Simply glance at your home screen whenever you need to check both time zones, making it easier to schedule calls, meetings, or stay connected with friends and family around the world. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and check out more Samsung Galaxy A27 guides soon.